Today, we're driving from Dorchester to Lulworth Cove. It's a short journey, about 25 minutes through the Dorset countryside. The weather's a bit gloomy today, with a light drizzle coming down. This gives everything that classic, misty, English charm. My wife's behind the wheel today. She's an excellent driver, and this gives me the opportunity to do a bit of filming. But fair enough, I'm just pointing the camera out the window. Despite the rain, the views along the way are still beautiful. Rolling hills, sheep-dotted fields, and the kind of calm that makes you want to slow down and enjoy the drive. Welcome to one of the most stunning spots on the Jurassic Coast, Lulworth Cove. From dramatic cliffs and crystal clear waters to ancient geology and coastal walks, this place has it all. Join me as we explore the sights, the stories, and even a few local bites along the way. Whether you're planning a visit or just love beautiful places, you're in a treat. Let's dive in. We've just arrived at the Lulworth Cove Visitor Centre, and it is busy today. Tourists are everywhere, even with the earlier rain. The car park was packed and we ended up parking right at the back, which meant for a bit of a walk in. But the weather is definitely picking up and the rain is easing off. And as you can see, patches of blue sky starting to break through. Feels like it's going to turn into a pretty nice day after all. Now we're at the Saltwater Grill. This is just a short walk from the car park and is really convenient after the busy arrival. The staff were super friendly and made us feel very welcome. I had a Coke, a cappuccino and their steak and cheese panini with chips, which came to around £8.25 for the panini, £2.95 for the coffee and around £2 for my drink. My wife went for the prawn mayo sandwich at around £6.95 plus her own Coke. Although it came to just over £22, it's still great value for money and a great tasty lunch in such a scenic spot. We wrapped it all up with a classic ice cream from Jake's Cafe nearby, perfect way to enjoy Lulworth Cove. As part of the iconic Jurassic Coast, this horseshoe-shaped bay wasn't sculpted in a day. It began forming around 10,000 years ago when meltwater and wave action breached a narrow band of hard Portland and Purbeck limestone, eroding the softer clays behind and creating that distinctive circular shape we see today. The geology here is extraordinary. You can walk around and see rock layers spanning roughly 150 million years. Historic traces in the area stretch much further back. Archaeologists have found Bronze Age, Celtic, Roman, Anglo-Saxon artefacts, and the location even appears in the Domesday Book of 1086. By the Victorian era, the cove had become a beloved tourist destination, attracting geologists studying the Jurassic Coast as far back as the 1830s. The cove's literary connections run deep. Dorset-born Thomas Hardy, who famously referred to it as Lulworth Cove in Far From the Madding Crowd, used it as the setting for Sergeant Choi's ill-fated swim pulled out of the sea by the shifting tides. Interestingly, Hardy's social circle overlapped with that of J.M. Barrie, creator of Peter Pan, and it is thought that Barrie may have drawn inspiration for Neverland from this evocative landscape. Up here on the cliffs, the view is absolutely breathtaking. You can see the full curve of Lulworth Cove laid out below, perfectly shaped by nature over thousands of years. The sea's beautiful mix of blues and greens gently rolling into the bay. To one side, the jagged rock formations of Stair Hole cut into the coastline, and further in the distance, you can just make out Durdle. It's peaceful, windy, and the kind of view that makes a climb totally worth it. There's so much to do in Lulworth Cove, whether you're here for a few hours or a full day. You can explore the beach, go fossil hunting, or take a scenic walk along the coastal path to Durdle. There are boat tours, little cafes, and plenty of spots to just sit and enjoy the view. If you're into geology or photography, it's a dream location and perfect for families or couples looking for a peaceful escape. The cove has also seen its share of nautical ventures. Traditionally, local fishermen targeted lobsters, and even Napoleon is said to survey the bay in 1804, perhaps eyeing a landing site. In modern times, it remains a hotspot for fossil hunting, especially at low tide, and forms a key spot on the southwest coast path, drawing hundreds of thousands of visitors each year. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site 2001, preserved for both geological and historical significance. So next time you walk on a beach, scanning the pools, or gazing up at the cliffs, remember, you're standing on millions of years of history, etched in stone, human history and literature. Lulworth Cove is a living, breathing connection to our past and its future. Thank you so much for watching my video on Lulworth Cove. I hope you enjoyed the views, the history, and a little taste of what this amazing place has to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've been here or plan to visit.